Floor lamps are very important for making a room look good and work well. There are many products available to choose floor lamps, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best floor lamps from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jufo Floor Lamp. Jufo Floor Lamp offers an upgrade to your living space. This sleek Torquier lamp not only adds sophistication but also provides ample illumination with its 30W LED bulb, emitting a stunning 2400 lumens of light. With remote and touch control features, adjusting brightness and color temperature is effortless. The lamp's adjustable head lets you direct light precisely for reading, working, or creating ambience. Its space-saving design and heavy, stable base ensure safety, perfect for homes with children or pets. Remote control for convenient operation. Adjustable brightness from 5% to 100%. 3 color temperatures for versatile lighting. Stable and safe heavy base design. 360-degree rotation for customized illumination. Directional light to avoid glare. Tiltable top for personalized lighting angles. Number 2. Rodagun Floor Lamp for Living Room. This lamp features a timeless design that adds charm to any room. Made by Rodagun, it emits a soft, warm 3000K white light, perfect for unwinding or reading. With a simple pedal switch, turning it on or off is a breeze, saving you from bending over. Plus, its LED bulb saves energy and lasts a long time, cutting down on electricity costs. 3 color temperature settings for versatility. Pedal switch for effortless on-off control. Eye protective soft warm white lighting. Included energy-efficient 9W LED bulb. Modern design perfect for any space. Convenient corded electric power source. Sturdy metal base for stability. Linen lampshade for added elegance. USB connectivity for added convenience. Easy assembly with clear instructions provided. Sturdy construction with a stable base for safety. Energy-efficient LED bulbs save money on electricity bills. Number 3. Busteria LED Floor Lamp. Busteria LED Floor Lamp enhances your home lighting experience with its modern design and eco-friendly features. With LED bulbs boasting a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, you'll enjoy long-lasting illumination while reducing electricity bills. The 9W main lamp and 4W side lamp offer versatile lighting options suitable for reading, working, or creating ambience. Adjust the gooseneck reading lamp for personalized illumination with warm white light that's easy on the eyes. Assembly is quick, taking just 5 minutes without the need for extra tools. Adjustable gooseneck for versatile illumination. Compatibility with smart home devices. Delicate metal rotary switch for control. 3-way rotary switch for customizable lighting. Durable construction with metal pole. Extended lifespan of LED bulbs 50,000 HRS. Number 4. LePower Wood Tripod Floor Lamp. The LePower Wood Tripod Floor Lamp adds a touch of elegance to contemporary environments. Crafted from premium natural rubber wood, it offers both durability and aesthetic appeal. Its distinctive stem featuring 3 wooden holders enhances the decor of any home or office space, while ensuring stability. Equipped with an E26 screw base and a convenient foot switch located on the lampshade's cord, it allows for effortless control with simple on-off functionality. Assembly is a breeze thanks to clear instructions, ensuring a hassle-free setup process. Hassle-free assembly ensures stability and safety. Fits any contemporary space effortlessly. Supports LED, energy-saving, and incandescent bulbs. Simple setup for quick use. Adds a touch of elegance to the design. Provides flexibility for personalized illumination. Offers extended reach for convenient placement. Built to last with high-quality materials. Number 5. Pesri Floor Lamp. For a modern aesthetic, the lighting solution by Pesri features a streamlined design that effortlessly complements contemporary interiors. Ideal for bedrooms, living areas, and reading spaces, this fixture delivers ample illumination. It includes a 9W dimmable LED bulb along with a handy remote control. You can seamlessly adjust both brightness ranging from 5% to 100% and color temperature from 3000K to 6000K, allowing you to create the perfect atmosphere for any setting. Its compact design fits snugly into tight spaces, while the combination of a foot switch and remote ensures convenient operation from anywhere in the room. Remote control functionality. Stepless brightness adjustment for custom ambience. Memory function retains your preferred settings. Dimmable LED bulb for versatile lighting. 1-hour timer for automated lighting control. Modern matte black finish complements any decor. Sturdy metal construction ensures durability. Magnetic remote for easy storage access. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.